Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily link image in Google Sheets to like different kind of site. So what you want to do is just let's write here like Google. Let's make it bigger. Let's go with insert image over cells. I will click here. Okay, here I have a logo. So the first thing what you can do is just put it here and click here the insert link. Oh no, wait a second. Here, insert link. And google.com, apply. So, and now what I'm going to do, I will just insert it like here. And then when you have it like here, and you have it bigger, like this, you can just, voila. Here we got it, and this is how you can make image a link in Google Sheets. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.